Welcome to Sunny Hill Horse Farm, a dramatic equestrian estate surrounded by 7+ pastoral acres located in Needham, Massachusetts. The secure embassy gates sweep open over the heated bridge and onto the tumbled stone drive, delivering you to a home of sophisticated elegance, unsurpassed beauty, and tranquil privacy. Sited within an outcropping of volcanic formations, it is unique and impressive to its very core. Quality and refinement surround you on this graceful estate, creating a place for entertaining at its finest and living a life of beauty. As you enter the home, you will be captivated by the breathtaking, sun-drenched 25-foot cathedral ceiling, anchored with reclaimed Vermont wooden beams and reinforced with steel rafters. The wide plank wood floors and imposing floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace capture the impressive nature of this home, bringing comfort and elegance into one. The custom-designed kitchen with professional-grade appliances was designed for the needs of a sophisticated culinary chef, yet it is versatile enough for casual dining or formal catered events. Located in the heart of the home, the kitchen features Mexican terracotta flooring, mahogany cabinets, and quartz countertops. The breathtaking views from the glass surround breakfast room and balcony are a magnificent start to any day, displaying unparalleled sunlit views of the gated paddocks. The impressive dining room with its architectural details captivates with dramatic ambiance and elegance for more formal occasions. On quieter moments, relax in the English mahogany study with an open fire, or take a refreshing breath or stroll onto the new 3,000 square foot sunny patio. Listen to the soft sway of the fields, the slow chime of the windmill, or the nicker of horses in the distance. The circular mahogany staircase leads you along the spectacular custom library wall and to the entrance of the stunning 2,000-bottle wine cellar, designed for the sophisticated collector and connoisseur. Read to your heart's content or enjoy a film in the impressive state-of-the-art 20-seat home theatre with stage and sloped floor. At day's end, the extraordinary master suite will certainly impress. The rooms are steeped in luxury and radiate a richness rarely found. Stunning architectural details are throughout, including radiant floor heat, a granite fireplace, marble spa bath, enormous custom walk-in dressing room, plus private patio, are all expertly designed. The barn, refurbished to include 10 stalls, large tack room and washroom, creates a truly one-of-a-kind property. Enjoy the great outdoors horseback riding on this magnificent estate, or stretch your legs and extend your ride through the miles of trails in the adjacent town forest. This timeless beauty delivers a flawless execution of sophisticated architectural detail, highlighting amazing vistas and pastoral views from each room while capturing light from every angle. Along the spectacular indoor and outdoor entertaining venues, it is in a class of its own. The cares of the world seem to melt away as you come home to stay. Entertain in style, live life to its fullest, and keep your equestrian love alive.